Today I'm going to tell you about this Varify water test kit. The Varify company sent me this to check out, and thank you for that. And we have very hard water where we live. So we were excited to be able to test our water. We already used the Varify hard water strips, but this is a more detailed report. It really shows you all the different things that could be in your water. It even came with a little, this sits for 48 hours. It had a powder that I poured in there, and then I added the water, and it will test to make sure you do not have any coliform or E. coli in your water. We are on well water, so we were ready to check all this out to make sure we were good. We also, just out of curiosity, we live next to a river, so we filled one of the bacteria tests we filled with our river water. And if you can see, the river water when it's green, which shows you if it's green, there's a very highly likely chance that you have bacteria in your water. So that was the river, so we know that. And I did put an R on the top so that I knew, but our well water is good. Now we're going to test the other items. It tests for your pH, your acidity, your iron. Your testing strips come in little metal bags, little individual bags that you can cut open to get just a few out. And then they send you this to test your water because you want something long to be able to fit that in. So this is just water right out of my tap. You only put it in there for a couple of seconds. Pull it right back out. Do not shake it. You don't want to smear that water from each little strip. You just kind of set it down and let it set for a second. The only thing I did do was kind of tap it to the side just so the water drips off. Just a few seconds. And now you can put it right up and you can match it up with each area to see what is in your water. I love that. I love being able to have control like that, to be able to see exactly what's in our water and know what we are drinking. This is an awesome test kit. It's great. You need to know what your water is doing, and this is great to keep an eye on. I highly recommend this product.